Recent reports have revealed that the next-generation Vivo X500 series will comprise 3 models: the Standard, Pro, and Pro Max. The upcoming Vivo X500 Pro Max is currently being tested with a BOE-made 2K display. The panel is said to measure around 6.85 inches and feature a 2.5D flat design with ultra-narrow bezels enabled by LiPo 144Hz refresh rate. The Vivo X500 Pro Max could be powered by the 2nm MediaTek Dimensity 9600 Pro chipset. The Vivo X500 Pro Max's rear camera setup will comprise a Sony LYT-838 50-megapixel primary camera equipped with LAFIC technology, a 50-megapixel IMX8 series ultra-wide camera and a 200-megapixel a-quarter-inch periscope telephoto camera, and an approximately 8,000 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.